In this video, I'll guide you through how to get a smooth animation when you hover a button in Webflow. Whether you're designing a sleek website for your business or just exploring the capabilities of Webflow, having smooth animations can greatly enhance user experience and make your site more dynamic. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First, you'll want to open your browser and go to webflow.com. If you're not already familiar with it, Webflow is a powerful tool that allows you to design and develop at the same time, enabling you to create responsive websites visually. Once you're on Webflow's homepage, you'll need to log into your account. After logging in, you'll see the dashboard. From here, click on All Sites. This will show you a list of all the websites you have been working on or have access to. Now, find the site you want to work on and select it. Clicking on the site will take you to the designer interface, where you can make all your edits and customizations. Next, locate the button element you want to animate. Simply click on the button to select it. If you haven't added a button to your page yet, you can do so by dragging a button element from the Add panel on the left-hand side. Once your button is selected, look to the right side of the interface and click on Interactions. This section is where the magic happens. Webflow's powerful interactions panel allows you to create complex animations and transitions with ease. In the interactions panel, you will want to set a trigger for your animation. For this tutorial, you'll be using the hover trigger. Select hover from the list of triggers. This means your animation will activate when someone hovers over the button with their mouse. With the hover trigger selected, it's time to adjust the hover settings. Here, you can define exactly what happens to your button when it's hovered over. You might want to change the button's color, size, or add a subtle movement. Play around with these settings until you achieve the smooth transition you're looking for. Remember, the goal is to enhance the user experience without making the animation too distracting. One tip to keep in mind is to use easing for your animations. Easing allows you to control the speed of the animation, making it start slowly, speed up, and then slow down again. This creates a more natural look and feel. You can find easing options in the hover settings and experiment with different types to see which one fits your design best. And that's it. You've successfully set up a smooth animation for your button hover in Webflow. With these steps, you can now create engaging interactions that make your website stand out. Remember to preview your site and test the animations to ensure everything looks just right. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to check out more of our content for additional tips and tricks on using Webflow and enhancing your web design skills. Happy designing!